Hello, welcome back again. My channel. This is JBTeguihanon. Please, for those of you who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, JBTeguihanon Engineering and Chemistry Tutorial. So let's continue our study of the introduction of other source of energy. And tonight we're going to study geothermal energy. So in the picture, you can see a plant, the geothermal plant. Okay, and then a geothermal plant in the Philippines. The location of the producing fields is actually we have in Macban. We have in Macban that is actually 426 megawatt energy, and the location is here in the map of the Philippines. And then that is under the Chevron and NPC, National Power Corporation. And the location is, of course, in Luzon. Luzon. If we write here something like that, this is Luzon. And then you have here the Visayas region. And then you have the Mindanao. You have in Mindanao, you have Mount Apo, which is 108 megawatt energy, and also in Northern Negros, 48 megawatt PNOC. Yeah. And then, yeah, there are some other part of the Philippines that producing the geothermal power in the Philippines. So let's continue so that we can see the other aspect. So we go to the pros and cons of geothermal energy. So the pros can be used for electricity generation, space heating, cooking, and low temperature industrial. So that is the pros. And then this is also inexpensive after initial outlay. Then no greenhouse gas emission during the process of extraction and transformation. There is no greenhouse gas emission. And then the cons, same problem as we see with oil drilling. Okay, and cons, localized distribution. And then harnessing geothermal energy. You have to drill too deep to hot rock, and then either wet system where water where heated water below ground is used. So we have two systems, wet and dry. The dry system sends above ground water below ground to get heated. Okay, that's the difference between the wet system and the dry system. In the wet system, again I will repeat, in the wet system, uh, what you do is you heat the heated water below ground is used. In the dry system, you use the above ground water, right? You sense above ground water below ground to get heated. Okay, and then resulting steam can be used for a number of purposes. Yeah, the steam. You are going to use the steam of the water, the gas form of water, because water is liquid in liquid phase or liquid form. And then if you heated the water, it will transform to a gaseous form or steam. We call it phase in mechanical engineering and even in chemistry. Okay, and now let's go and proceed to the energy mix. So, energy mix means using more than one form of energy to meet needs is an important way to ensure long-term energy needs. Okay? In ecosystem ecology, diversity equals stability. Okay, so that's the ecosystem ecology. And then, depending on only one form of energy, leaves nation vulnerable to different problems. Correct. If you're just depending on the imported oil and gas, your country will be in different problems. So here are the list of the energy mix in the Philippines. So we have geothermal, second largest geothermal producer in the world. We have a potential additional capacity 1,200 megawatt. Okay, here. And then for that is for geothermal. We are the second largest. Philippines is the second largest geothermal producer in the world. Potential additional. This is just additional. And then we have wind. Uh, resource potential is 700 megawatt, largest potential in Southeast Asia. And then we have 33 megawatt North Wind Power, first wind farm in the Southeast Asia. For solar, we have 1 megawatt grid connection solar plant of Sipalco. And then Philippines in Southeast Asia is the largest solar manufacturer hub, current annual capacity of 400 megawatt solar cells. And then we have mini hydro, potential capacity is 1,784 megawatt from 888 sites. And then for biomass or bagas, resource potential is 235 mmBFOE. Okay, let's continue. And then we have here an energy mix target for 2020 2030. So the target is distributed such as the biggest is hydropower 54%. We're talking about additional installed capacity of around about 9,865 megawatt for 2030. So 8 years from now or 7 years from now, because right now is 2023. No? And then the second largest is the wind, 24%. And then the third is geothermal power, 15%. And then solar and biomass is both 3%. And then we have 1% ocean energy power. So I think we need to have an effort to increase our biomass, solar, and ocean energy to contribute for additional capacity of our energy mix so that we can serve and provide sustainable, renewable power to the uh, nation Philippines. Let's move on. So, no more. So, that's all for the introduction of other source of energy. Next video, we will try to have a detailed discussion on the other source of energy. Uh, for those of you who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. JBTeguihanon Engineering and Chemistry Tutorial. Thanks. Bye for now. God bless.